My name is Luke and I'm 5 and we are making broccoli salad today. I wanted to make this because it's my favorite. I don't like broccoli, but I like it in the salad. The first thing you need is, how much cups? 5 or 6 cups of broccoli. Make sure you cut it small so it's easy to bite. This is raw broccoli. Next, we are going to add a cup of cheese. It's cheddar cheese. 2/3 cup dried cranberries. Half a cup of crumbled bacon. It's better to buy real bacon from the store instead of cooking it. It's just less soggy that way.
Is there anything you wanted to try, taste test, to make sure it's good?
The bacon.
If you want to try a piece of bacon, you can.
Next, we'll add a half cup of salted sunflower seeds.
Which ingredient is your favorite, Luke?
Bacon. Next, we're going to add a 1/3 cup of small chopped onion. I don't really like this ingredient though, but I eat it in the salad anyway. Slide this away and then take a measuring cup to make the dressing. First, for the dressing, we need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. Next, we need 1/4 cup of sour cream. If you're looking for measure kits, you can find them in the description. I have the full principle recipe there too. Well, my mom puts it there. Next, a 1/2 tablespoon white wine vinegar. 1.5 tablespoons. And then 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. And that's my favorite ingredient. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, and use a whisk to whisk it all together.
Like, what's your favorite part of making it or anything like that?
Whisking this with the small whisk. Next, we're going to pour this dressing over the salad. We want to use all the dressing, so use a spatula to scrape it all into the bowl.
You want me to help you with scraping it all in here too?
Yeah. Make sure you mix it until everything is well coated. You really need a big bowl for this. Me and Mom make this every time we have a party. It really needs to be well combined and the broccoli needs to be well covered. Before we eat it, we have to let it sit in the fridge because that gives it all the flavor. I'll put it in the fridge so I'm able to. Can I have it, Mom? It's been a half an hour, so now we get to try it. Everyone gives this recipe 5 stars. It's time to try it now. Smells good. I think I really like it. Now we just need to slide the big bowl out of the way.
What do you think? Is this as good as you remember?
Yep.
How many stars?
Oh, 10,100.
Okay. You sure you want to do this?
Yes. Oops.
Now, who was going to film this video?
You.
And who asked if they could do it instead?
Me. And when do we get to try it, Mom?
What did make you want to film today, Luke? Why was it so important to you?
Because I like broccoli salad.
You did a great job.